Let's go. Let's get on.
Man, here we go. Boom. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Welcome to ICAN. I invited 2 contestants to live in my house for the next 6 months. The goal is to help them lose weight and learn how to live a healthy lifestyle. I know it sounds impossible, but I know they can do it.
This is the ICAN Challenge.
Let's go. Let's get on.
Man, here we go. Boom.
Okay, 378. I don't know where you were at.
How is that possible?
378?
Nah.
378 point what?
3.
378.3?
How is that possible, bro?
370. Oh, you gained 2 pounds.
How the is that possible?
I don't know.
378.3.
Man, I'm in a bad mood, bro. I weighed in 2 pounds heavier. 1.9 pounds, that's 2 pounds. I don't understand what that is, because I literally, all my life, I've literally only eaten raw fruits, raw vegetables. And if I have a juice, it's like literally pressed juice.
That's,
it's the same skin.
that's stupid, man. I'm pissed off. 378.8. Get the out of here, man.
But like, you know, your body adjusts.
Yeah.
Give it some
But
time.
still, not the fuck, yeah, man. That's, man, all right.
Hopefully next time I weigh in, I'm gonna drop down to 369. Yeah, so I'm frustrated, but I ain't gonna quit.
378.3?
Yeah.
378.3.
Man. Oh, that's trash.
I'm frustrated but not worried. I know my weight goes up and down. That's normal. I haven't been on a cleanse, so I'm not using the restroom as much as I was 2-3 days ago. But I still didn't expect to gain 2 pounds. But the fact that I did lets me know that it's either from water weight, because I drink a lot of water, the blood in my muscles that I'm filling back up because I'm lifting weights again. It ain't because of food, I know for sure. Because I haven't been eating anything, nothing processed, no sugars. Everything has been fresh. Everything has been fresh squeezed or pressed, and it must be from the workouts and the fact that I haven't been going to the bathroom as much.
This is a new experience for Jah. He's never faced any difficulty losing weight. What he has to do is the same thing Onyika did. Just keep fighting. If you keep fighting, your body will release the weight.
I'm about to go to Jamaica, man. I'm going to Jamaica today. I leave tonight with my wife.
Thank you, brother. I'll see you on Sunday.
All right, sure. Hey, I'll send you some motivational videos.
Please do. All right, I'm gonna send you my videos too.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
And I'm meeting my brother and his wife out there, and I'm gonna stick to the course. I'm gonna not eat no carbs, no meat, no dairy. I'm eating raw food, fresh fruit and vegetables. I'm gonna keep the thing going. Even though I planned on going eating jerk chicken and oxtails when I got to Jamaica, but because I'm doing this program and I need to be doing this program, I'm dedicated to it. I'm gonna stay focused and stay true to the course and to the program.
Jah is going on his first out-of-town trip. You know, it's tough going out there, and you know he'll have to depend on local services to get his to get in his meals and things. I wish him all the best because it is difficult out there in those streets.
Where I'm going, I can't eat nothing they got going on over there, so I'm bringing my own.
The advice that I would give Jah on going out of town is to definitely make sure you get up extra early to get that first workout in, especially if he's going to be doing activities and things. You got to get that first one in. And then the other thing is to actually pack some snacks, gather whole fruits while he's out as well once he arrives on site. Okay. Okay, so last week I was at 264.3, so let's see what we got this week. Let's see. Still moving.
You got 264. So now we are at
259.
that ain't bad. I'm content with that number. You doing the work is paying off. Okay. You know what I'm thinking, honestly?
What's that?
I'm thinking your hormones have actually balanced off now because you've been eating well. Female hormonals kicking in. All those good things are really, really kicking in. And now the weight is actually able to come off because we had 1 week where you didn't lose any weight.
Right.
So, and then we had a week when you lost like 3.8. You're actually losing more later into the contest, which it doesn't really happen like that.
But I'm special.
This is true.
So this week we weighed in today at 259, and that was a total of 5.3 pounds for this week's weight loss. My overall total since the beginning of this journey is 29.5 pounds to date.
It's working out. We moving in the right direction. Right now, we still a little off pace of our goal of 160, but the days are getting brighter.
High five.
There you go.
Onika's killing it, getting better, stronger. Look, after the age of 35, they say you will never sprint again as an adult. She's sprinting. 30 seconds on the treadmill, speed 5. She's all out, full blown sprint for her, and then she rests for 45 seconds, and then she's on again.
Do you ever think that you'd be doing sprints again?
No, not ever in my whole life. I am not enjoying the sprints. I did not know that there was a thing after age 35 that you would never sprint again as an adult. That was quite an interesting subject, but I managed to pick up my feet a little faster today.
She's really kicking butt. I'm super proud of her, especially because of the fact that her weight loss was so different than Jah. Jah had immediate success. Her success is now coming into its own. Like, she's losing more weight than Jah as of right now. For the last 2 weeks, she's lost more weight than him. So that's amazing. And it's also tough when you see someone having so much success and you having not really nearly the success the other person is having and still stay motivated. See, the key is to realize your success is your success and stop looking elsewhere. Stop looking to the left and right of you and focus on yourself. So I'm super proud of her, and she's kicking butt.
So for the sprints, what we're doing on the treadmill is we're going at 5 miles an hour for the speed. And so I jump on for 30 seconds, rest for 45, jump back on for 30 seconds, and I'm trying to do all of that without being on World Star.
Hard work always pays off. It really does. And like I said, you're working your ass off. You're in the gym, you're doing your part, and you know, God ain't gonna let you down.
Could AD be nicer to me? Well, of course, yeah. I don't know in what way though. Like, I don't know what, do my exercise for me. AD's strategy of coaching has been working because we're here right now. You know, I have almost 30 pounds of weight loss and Jah has almost 60 pounds of weight loss. So it's working. Having AD participating in the exercise is good, you know, because if you need a partner to do the workout with, it's great. He also is there right next to you, giving you feedback and encouragement to go that extra mile, to, you know, at the last minute to step it up and not just like fade out. So in that aspect, it's been really good. Plus, you know, we could talk trash to each other.
Are you done? I love working out with them. I think what it is that sometimes people have to see that you're able to do the same stuff you're instructing them to do. And that's why I tend to work out with them from time to time, just to let them know that this stuff that I'm asking them to do is not impossible. It's all possible and they can definitely get it done.
Doing these, we leveling up, so I was doing some sprints. I haven't ran forever, but we got through it. Icing has definitely helped me throughout this process. So initially I had not been icing. My husband's been telling me for years to ice, and I was like, okay, but had not done it. But I was having more aches and pains, and so it was reiterated again to me, and so I did start icing, and it has helped me tremendously. You want some salad? This is a different salad though, because I don't have any I don't have tomato and red onion.
You got avocado?
I do have a couple avocados.
They're the smallest avocados I've ever seen in my life.
I know.
What is going on?
I was like, Mama, where'd these come from?
These things is tiny.
They're so tiny. I do feel healthier. I have lots of energy, even though I'm not on caffeine like I was before. Lasagna for breakfast. So with just eating the fruits and vegetables, that's giving me my nourishment and nutrition, and that's keeping me energized and going throughout the day. That's nothing healthy. What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, hey, you'd be so proud of Onyika. Onyika, so we moved her up. She doing sprints on the treadmill now, and you already know what that workout looked like. She at level 5. She doing sprints now.
We got Jah on vacation. Jah hasn't been here all week. I'm worried, but I do have faith in him.
I can't partake in the food because it's part of he's from the Jamaican culture. But it's all good, man.
Where y'all staying?
We in the high-end Delara in Montego Bay.
For Jah going to Jamaica, I wish him all the best. Unfortunately, he can't enjoy the best of the cuisines, but he can get all the fruits and vegetables he'd like.
Just stay focused. Don't let that scale beat you up. Like I said, it has ups and downs, but ultimately you always gonna win. Just keep working.
Yeah, honestly, I know that because even when before I met you, the scale be up and down, and I don't even trip at all.
Right.
I know I got so much fucking weight to go. I'm trying to get it, even though if it takes 6, it takes 6. So I'm trying to get it at 5. But if it takes 6, it takes 6.
I still think we got a shot at 5, to be honest.
I do too. I see the body change. I'm getting stronger. The cardio is killing me still.
He's sending in all his meals that he's eating daily. He's sending in his workouts. He's on it. He's on it. I just really, really hope he gets the results and he doesn't have a mishap, because a mishap can be a real setback when you're trying to lose weight, because you tend to fall in your old routine, and I don't want that to happen to him.
We can't wait till you get back, though.
Yeah, man, for sure.
All right, man. Enjoy yourself. Have an amazing time, and tell the wife I said hi.
Family, I'm home. What's up, man?
How was Jamaica?
Jamaica was great, dog.
Jamaica was Irie. I see the scale. I see the scale breaking just like y'all did.
But unfortunately, we gotta, the formalities.
Formalities, man.
And we just gotta get past this.
I understand, man. You gotta weigh to stay.
Yeah, there you go.
You gotta
There
weigh
you
to
go.
stay.